If you feel shy but want to look confident, this makeup is for you. Makeup can look very bad if your skin is not prepared nicely. I already washed my face with a face wash. Now I'm using a toner. After that, I'm using a water-based moisturizer, then a serum to make my skin smooth. And after that, the obvious part, sunscreen. Don't forget to use a lip balm. Your lips will thank when you are applying your lipstick. Now I'm using a orange corrector over my pigmentation and dark circles. And over the corrector, I'm using concealer to match my skin. Now I'm taking a little amount of foundation on my hand and applying it with a brush first, then blending it with a beauty blender, cause if you have any excess product, the blender will soak it up. I'm using a empty mascara to brush my brows. For contouring, I'm not suggesting anyone to put the contour directly on your face. Take the contour on your hand or on your brush and apply it to your upper cheekbones. This look is Latina Baddie Vibe makeup, so we will definitely do baking with translucent powder. I'm still not so pro in nose contouring, so I'm just making a little shadow on my nose and that's it. I was so into makeup that I forgot to record my eye makeup, so here is the attached clip. As you can see, I'm using a pink eyeshadow for my base, but don't do that. Use a brown shade. I don't know why I use pink. I took a little brown shadow to make that curvy line on my eyes. There is so much pink on my eyes, so I am lighting up with a brown and white eyeshadow. Then my favorite part, cut the crease with a concealer and take the strokes downwards. As you can see, I'm not doing that cut crease all over my eyes, just in the eye corners. And while doing the cut crease, if you make any mistake, you can correct it with a brown shadow. Now I'm curling my eyelash, then adding some mascara and going for my falsies. If you don't know how to wear a fake eyelash, you can use this little trick. You just have to take your mirror under your chin and look down it. It will be easy for applying your eyelashes. I am overlining my lips with a brown lip liner, then a brown lipstick and gloss over it. We still didn't do our blush, so I am taking two blush shades and applying to my cheeks. I am creating a shadow under my eyes with a brown lip liner. Then over the lip liner, I am using a brown shadow. I am using some highlighter on my cheeks, nose tip and lip. After that, I am doing my eyebrows again to fill the gaps. And the look is done. If you like this look and if you are still here, I'm really thanking you for watching this video and comment down below your favorite part.